Gajar ka halwa always takes me back to my childhood, where the kitchen would be filled with the aromas of sweet carrot and cardamom. Today I'm sharing this nostalgic treat with you. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Ghee. First step to make my gajar ka halwa is we need to heat my milk. This needs to be heated till it's reduced into half the quantity. So I'm putting my milk to boil and reduce it to half the quantity. While the milk is boiling and reducing to half, we need to cook our grated carrots. I've got some ghee, which I'm going to heat in a pan. And to this, I'm going to add my grated carrots. I'm going to cook the carrots until the water content of the carrots has dried up. The carrots are cooked, and to this I am adding in my warm milk, which has been reduced to half. I'm going to cook this on a medium heat until the milk is evaporated and the mixture is a little thick. My milk and carrot mix has dried up. Next goes in my sugar, and I'm going to cook this until the sugar has melted. Next, I put in my cardamom or Elaichi powder, and last, some almonds and pistachios that have been finely chopped. I'm going to just reserve a few almonds and pistachios for the garnishing. I'm garnishing the gajar ka halwa with some chopped almond and pistachio pieces.